Hello everybody, I got the parts for this controller. I'm going to replace the 3 relays. I got them yesterday. I did a short unpacking, and as you can see, there's 2 relays of a 6-volt DC, and this is what I need, those ones. And then there's one relay of 9-volt DC. So I will start with taking off those relays. As you can see, there is 4 1 2 3 4 legs on each relay. I'm just going to show you here. This might have 5 legs. Ooh, okay. We might have a different type of relay I ordered. Let me see. This one have 5 legs. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I think there is one with the 5 legs and one with the 4 legs. So the 9-volt DC also have 5 legs. Okay, let's swap those two, and then we can go from there. So I'm going to start with those two, the 6-volt DC. I just want to see if the 6-volt DC have 5 legs. Yeah, not sure why this one has only 4 legs, but it's okay. I'm just going to install it anyways. Maybe one leg is not operational, but we'll see. I'm just going to start with this one first, and then I can go from there. I need gloves. Let's take those ones out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the 2 relays right now, and then I will install those relays back like the new ones. And then I will see the 3rd relay, because the 3rd relay looks like there's the one that I received, there's only 4 legs, but the one that I have on this board is 5 legs. So I'm not sure why, but I will check. Flux. Yeah, always put the flux on. It makes life much easier to take off the old solder. So this board will be ready today. I just want to see what's the other leg. Maybe it's just sitting with no usage. Sometimes they just, you know, they put 5 legs, but 1 leg is actually not working. So, and those ones will work good, but actually those ones are for the bacon broiler. This is the main relay. So I'm going to put these guys back in. Let me just put one leg solder one leg and then I can do the rest of it. Okay, now we'll do the same on the other side there. Yeah, I don't know, I'm not really worried about this relay. I think this relay is good anyways. I will check the relay, but I was more concerned about those two relays and they turned to be the right ones. So this one is actually, yeah, so I will swap this relay as well and I'll show you why. So this is the relay, right? This one. You see how one leg is actually not connected to anything? Yeah, so there's no trace line, no nothing. So yeah, I will swap this. So it's the same relay essentially, but the thing is this one has just one extra leg, but it's not connected anywhere, like here. But this one doesn't have the leg. I'm just not gonna put the solder here, and yeah, it should be all good to go. So good stuff. That's good. Then I can send the board in. You can do it a couple ways, you know. I always change. It depends on how I feel at the moment, right? You can do it. You can, like you see, I put those two relays. I put on one point here. I solder one point and then one point here. You can do it this way and then you can complete the job after. Now I feel like I want to take this one off. So, but you can, you know, you can finish one relay and go to the other one. As long as don't forget those legs. Maybe take a picture or visual picture just to make sure you're not forgetting anything. Yeah, so that's pretty good. So one leg is actually, it's not been used. Just to be on the safe side, what I'm going to do, I'm going to test this leg with points, you know, closer points to this leg and see if anything connected to there. Just to be on the safe side. I don't think anything connected, but so this is the missing leg. Yeah, nothing connected here, 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 here. Nothing connected here. Nothing. Yeah, so this is just missing, like a leg without any usage. So this is the 9 volt, the old one, and now I'm gonna put the new one right here. So this is my video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like and subscribe. I will finish all those points and clean up the board after, but yeah, that's pretty much it. 3 relays, all their control board on the oven. I think it's a Frigidaire. Thank you very much and take care.